Tired of clicking through Gusto's endless menus to enter a simple time off request? Learn to record an employee's time off in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact path, from the dashboard to time and attendance, then employee/policy, dates, duration type, and finally, record. First, go ahead and open up Gusto in your browser. Then, click on Time and Attendance from the menu. Now, head over to the Time Off tab. Once you're there, click Record Time to start a new entry. Click the Employee field and select the person you're recording time off for. Then, click the Policy drop-down and choose the right policy. Next, click on the Dates Requested field. For the start date, go ahead and pick the 9th. Then, click to set the end of the time off, and choose the 17th as the last day. Now, decide between full days, which covers 8 hours per weekday, Monday through Friday, or click partial days if you only need part of a day. Or click on Partial Days. Finally, click Record Time Off to finish up. Done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.